So this is the continuation on how what is on our topic on the significance of information derived electronic navigational chart or ENC to identify various navigational data such as course over ground and speed over ground and estimated time of arrival or ETA. Now we have to explain on this what are the significance of information that derives the electronic navigational chart ENC, course over ground COG, speed over ground or SOG, and the estimated time of arrival or ETA. Now firstly we have to explain the terminology used in ICDIS and IMO performance and by for IMO performance standards. As per regulation of IMO performance standards, so the International Maritime Organization or IMO has established performance standards for electronic chart display information system ICDIS that to ensure safe and efficient navigation. To understand these standards, it's essential to grasp the key terminology employed. Now we have the core ICDIS terminology as per IMO standards. Firstly, we have ICDIS, a navigational information system that displays selected information from ENC combined with the positional data to aid route plan monitoring and decision making. Second is we have electronic navigational chart or ENC, a standardized database containing nautical chart information essential for safe navigation used by ICDIS. So for the use of this instrument, we have to follow the IMO standards which we will use for navigational purpose to ensure safety and reliability. Third, we have System Electronic Navigational Chart or SENC, a customized version of an ENC tailored to a specific vessel incorporating additional data like user-defined objects and route. Next, we have raster chart, a scan image of a paper chart used in backup in ICDIS. We have vector chart, chart datum, tide and current data, route planning, route monitoring, position accuracy, COG, SOG, and ETA. These are the core ICDIS terminology that we see on the ICDIS instrument. These standards will apply by the IMO standards that will use this for navigating, that will mapasok siya sa IMO standard. So for the IMO performance standard specific terminology. So as per IMO performance standards specific terminology by the use of the ICDIS, we have the several standards that will apply in our instrument. In determining ICDIS, that will signify on how we use ICDIS in applied to IMO performance standard. Firstly, we have performance standards, a set of criteria that ICDIS must meet to be approved for use on board ships. Next is we have a backup arrangements. So backup arrangements, alternative systems or methods to ensure the continued operation of ICDIS in case of failures. Thirdly, we have navigation sensors, equipment that provides position, heading, and speed data to the ICDIS. Next, we have additional navigation-related information. So, beyond ENC information that can be displayed on ICDs such as radar, AIS, and meteorological data. Next, we have reliability and availability. So as we said that for having the standards of IMO, we have this instrument will apply to a specific navigation. This will, as for IMO performance standards, ICDs must have reliability and availability. Next is what are the significance of ENC data in determining navigational parameters. So, electronic navigational charts or ENCs are the cornerstone of modern maritime navigation. They provide a digital representation of nautical charts containing invaluable data for determining critical parameters. So, by the use of advanced technology, we have now the technology called ICDs that will help for us to navigate safely and to ensure safety and to avoid risk of collisions. Now we discuss on how we explain the course over ground applied to a ICDs. So the ENC roles. Well, ENC or electronic navigational charts do not directly determine COG. They provide the geographical reference for plotting the vessel's position. Significance by overlaying the vessel's position on the ENCs or ICDs can calculate the COG by connecting successive positions. This accuracy is crucial for maintaining the desired course and avoiding obstacles. Next, we have speed over ground or SOG. ENC roles, similar to COG, ENC provide a geographical framework for calculating distance traveled. And the significance, by measuring the distance between 2 points on the ENC over a specific time interval, ICDs can determine the SOG. This information is essential for planning and maintaining the desired speed. And we have lastly, the ETA. So, the significance of this estimated time of arrival, by combining the distance between waypoints with the vessel's SOG and considering factors like currents and tides, will also often included in ENCs. ICDs can estimate the time required to reach a destination. Accurate ETA calculations are vital for efficient voyage planning and management. So for the conclusion, the benefits of ENC data. ENC offers a wealth of data that enhances navigational decision making by depth information, obstructions, data and current data, and safety contours. So in the essence, ENCs provide the foundational data of ICDs to calculate the display critical navigational information. This data is essential for safe and efficient navigation, allowing mariners to make informed decisions and avoid hazards.